Guys, I just came home to this again. And that chicken that you see running, she was in this barrel right here scratching. So I'm gonna have to chicken proof my garden very, very soon. So if I'm going to be getting any pop-up tents, I'm gonna have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to kind of protect the front area and over this section temporarily, because I was thinking about getting some chicken wire, but I think I would prefer the pop-up tents should in case I have to leave this property one day in the future. I can take my pop-up tents with me. What do y'all think about that? Is that a good idea? Sounds good to me. But then again, they might be able to access the garden from this to the section. So I don't know. I'm going to ask Hobby if he can help me to brainstorm to see if I can come up with something better or cheaper than the pop-up tents. I mean, I would actually get them over time. I was already checking the cost of them this morning, but I don't know. I really have to do something ASAP, because I mean, yesterday, honestly, I felt really bad knowing that I put in so much in this area and all of my beans is gone from here. Everything is gone from there. My chickpeas, they're all, well, almost dead. I have to water this area later on. Praise God, I didn't enter this section, maybe because of the what you call this, the thorns on the orange tree. All right, so it looks as if they didn't come in here today. Everything is looking the same way as how it looked yesterday. All right, so I'm heading out now, guys. Guys, what do you think about that frame here? Yeah, my son just gave it to me. It's for protecting my eyes, but I feel like I want to use it for my original glasses, because I was getting tired of the old frames that I have. They're very tired of it. Yeah. Let me show you something. See the old terrorists them? Wanna see them? You see how them gather over the people in place? Them congregate over the people in place like them having church. But I go and have a ceremony if you wanna, you see. Make I catch you back in my yard this weekend and I go and find out which God under they serve. That me I tell you no. So guys, I guess that was a very long intro. But I think this video is gonna be about chicken proof in my garden. Is that a thing to say, chicken proof in the garden? So I think I'm going to start with the 3 tents that Miss Kathy gave me last year. Miss Kathy, if you are watching, I want to extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation for gifting me with these tents a few months ago when you originally saw that I was experiencing some problems with the chickens. I haven't used the tents for some time now because I was in the process of downsizing the garden, and so a lot of the barrels did not have anything in them, and that is why they were left unattended. But now that this disaster is continuously repeating itself, I have to do something. So guys, I do not have my tripod outside with me, so I'm going to cover 3 of the barrels right now and let you all see just a little hint of what the barrels will look like sometime in the near future after I purchase the other pop-up tents. And I really hope and pray that I will get the same ones like what Miss Kathy sent me. That is if they are affordable. Because one thing I plan to do this year, guys, I'm going to be investing more in the garden. Things that will make the garden thrive and be successful. I'm really going to invest in it because I know that if I invest in the garden, it will produce for me. So I just have to do what I have to do. So let me go ahead now and put up these 3 pop-up tents from Miss Kathy from over there in Glory's Garden and show you all what it looks like. And while I am on that note, guys, please go over and support Miss Kathy from over there in Glory's Garden. She is a fairly new gardener, and I just love her garden, guys. I mean, I love her garden. Every time I watch Kathy's garden, I am so tempted to go and buy some of those green stalks. But y'all, y'all know I am a very stingy girl. If I am going to be buying those green stalks, I have to put the pennies, nickels, and dimes together for a few months to buy them. And for this year, I also think I'm going to be investing in some Vigo garden, because I believe that I heard Miss Kathy said one time that she's thinking about herself gardening in her late 60s, 70s, and so on. So we have to consider ourselves with the bending and the stooping and the this and the that. And I totally agree with her. So I am going to be investing in a lot of things that is going to make my garden more successful, as I stated. So let's get these pop-up tents up. And I don't know where we are going to continue because I'm not sure when I'll be getting the other tents. And for the record, today is Thursday, January 29th. So guys, this is what the 3 pop-up tents is looking like now. And they are looking so fabulous already. Can you all imagine how this garden is going to look when it is all covered with these nets? I want to see these chickens get through them. So I am not done setting them up, but you all will see how everything is going to look after I'm done putting all the pins in place. And what I've decided to do is to buy at least 3 or 6 each time I get paid, depending on the price, if I can get them at a very reasonable cost, and depending on how much money I earn every fortnight, I will decide if I'm going to get 3 or more. So guys, I just came back outside, to share something with you guys, and I saw the old terrorists them in the side of my yard. You see how determined they are to mash up my garden, people? Yes, man, run, 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 man, run. Guys, one thing I know for sure, these chickens, them certainly keeping me fit. You see, that is why I could not sit down in the house and wait for those pop-up tents to come. I just have to come out and do something. See, some of them are run over bush over there, so let me show you another one. See this one right here? See, she try find somewhere run. Watch her go through the fence with her little foo-foo self now. Watch her. Hey, there she goes. There she goes. People, this is a real drama. Or more than drama. But I just could not sit down in the house and allow this chicken to decimate my garden. So I have this grand idea in my head. I am going to start setting up a little part of the plan I have, and then I'm going to come back in a few to show you what I was thinking of. I don't know where I go find steaks now, I'm going to have to search I have some steaks back here that I might have to cut. So these are some of the steaks I have right now. I'm gonna have to use them as they are or cut them. Guys, I really don't want to wait until tomorrow, you know. I really don't want to wait until tomorrow because I see the moment my back is turned, they came back. So they are not giving up, and neither am I. I'm not giving up either. I have to protect my garden, comes what may. So I'm going to try something with a few pieces of these boards that I have been saving. Oh God. Yeah, I don't like when my things mismatch, you know. But no, I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. I can't. And you know, y'all know what I just did? I turned down a job for tomorrow because I want to stay home tomorrow to protect the garden. Guys, that is how serious this thing is right now. I'm losing money just because I'm trying to protect the garden from these chickens. Well, honestly, if I'm done doing, oh gosh, my chest is being exposed. If I'm done early enough, I might be able to work tomorrow if I get another call. But I'm telling you guys, this is one sacrifice I am willing to make. Really, really willing to make this sacrifice. So let me go and grab all the steaks that I need, try what I am doing, and then I will come back and show you for you all to go ahead and make your comments, your suggestions, your recommendations and ideas. Oh gosh. Lord have mercy on me. I don't know if I'm supposed to say these chickens love me or they hate me, or it's probably a love-hate relationship. I don't know. Oh God. I think I might have to prepare an area for them, you know, guys, where I just throw food in that specific area that they will come and have it to eat every day, just to deter them from my main garden. But that's gonna take money out of my pocket. That means tell me that if I don't have any stale rice and all of those things, I'm gonna have to start buying food for these all loose chickens. Eh? Lord have mercy. No sir. No people. Lord have mercy. Wanna think what you think about this matter, because I have been going through this for not even months, you know, years. Y'all see, y'all saw how many years I've been going through this with these chicken lickings. They're not giving up, and neither am I. So many things came to my mind to do, you know, but everything that I think of is going to cost me money. And I've been continuously saying, no, me. Say me, I miss Titus. Yes, I spend money when it's extremely necessary. But I guess this year have to be like on a different level. I just have to make the sacrifice and spend the money, y'all, because yeah, cannot continue like this. So let me just go and finish what I'm doing now, guys, and I'll come back and show it to you. So my original plan was to use some steaks and put the pieces of white trellises over them so they could stand up straight. But then they did not look good, guys, because when I did that, I would have the open spaces in between here and the chickens would still be able to climb over. You know what? It is better if I give a demo. So let me show you. So I was planning on doing something like this, guys, but the truth is I was going to use the zip ties to tie the pieces of lattice to the stakes, but then this area would have been left vacant. Hence, the chickens could easily climb under here and then go over in there. So I abandoned this plan totally. I further went and I took the garbage bag with the leaves and I placed them in selective areas, of course, where the chickens would be able to get over there. They can still fly, but not beats a trial but a failure. So I blocked this entry pathway for them. I placed a bag in here and I placed 2 in this one. You all remember when I came home yesterday, they were in this specific barrel. And so I have the other bags down there and I have some over there. And then I ended up putting these 2 pieces of lattice that I removed from the garden sometime last year. I really don't know if I'm gonna let them stay here, you know. Guys, what do y'all think I should do? Because I think I need the lattice to cut and do something. I kind of like how it looks still, you know. But as I would always say, it's just a thought. Now look at these people. Look how the wicked chicken them scatter out the leaves that are left here. My Lord, my Lord, my Lord. Lord have mercy. So see you sometime in the future when I get my other pop-up tents and we'll be installing them.